Hello, this is Ava, Assistant to Matthew Fan. I would like to schedule an HVAC service appointment and request a quote.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, I can get you set up with an appointment. Will today at Friday at 4 p.m. work for you?
Great. I'm available this Thursday from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. or Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Do either of those work?
Unfortunately, we do not have any time slots or bookings available for those time periods, so we might have to do next week. Do you have any availability next Tuesday?
Yes, I'm available next Tuesday. Could we schedule it for any time between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m.? What times do you have open?
Yeah, I can go ahead and put you down for 1:30 p.m. Does that work?
Yes, 1:30 p.m. next Tuesday works perfectly. Can you also provide me with a quote for the service? The issue is that the air conditioner is not producing cold air.
Yeah, so we have a $75 visitation fee, but depending on the actual issue with your air conditioner, it could be anywhere from $100 to $1,000.
Understood. We'll proceed with the appointment for next Tuesday at 1:30 p.m., and we can discuss the specific costs after the diagnostics. Thanks for helping set this up. Can you please confirm the appointment details one more time?
Yeah, I have you down for Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. I'll see you then.
Perfect. Thank you. See you next Tuesday at 1:30 p.m.
Great. Bye-bye.